Creating a new integration connection in qTest is very simple. Today we're going to talk about creating a connection for your Rally instance. First, what you want to do is navigate to the upper right corner, and you're going to find the gear icon. And this is going to take you to the integration settings. Now keep in mind this is the integration settings for one particular project in qTest. So each project will need to be set up for your integration. You can also clone connections that are existing if you have multiple projects in qTest. So we're going to click on integration settings. And as you can see, I have an existing connection for Rally in this project, and I'm going to show you the steps on how to do that. You'll see in the upper left corner the external systems that you can connect. So these are the different possibilities you have. First, you'll want to select on Rally if it's not already selected, and you should see the in-use icon here. Then what you'll want to do is create a new connection. So you'll click this button that says Add Rally Connection. Now, as mentioned earlier, what you can also do is clone an existing connection, and I'll show you that next. When you create a new connection, you'll need to give the connection a name, and it will also have a server URL, which is where your Rally instance lives, and then you'll need to add in the username and password. So if you see here for my connection name is my Rally connection. This is my server URL, which is the instance ID, which you can find in the URL when you navigate to your Rally instance at the top bar, and then you'll type in your username and password. Once you have your password in, what you'll want to do is go ahead and test your connection. And you should see connected to server successfully. Once you see this, you can go ahead and save, and it will navigate you to the next step. Another way to connect to your server is through API. So we do have steps on adding in an API key. So what you can do is access in your Rally instance here the keys for adding into API. You'll enter API key in the username field and then the API password field. Once that's complete, you'll hit save, and this will navigate you to the next steps.